Wagwan, it's Lika J. Thank you for tuning in. This segment of my channel is called Styling Thrift Transformations, where I'll be showing you how to transform all of those old thrift finds into today's modern day wear, doing this all while still on a budget. In today's video, I will be doing a off-the-shoulder lettuce hem dress, and I will be transforming it from the turtleneck sweater I picked up in the thrift store. So I first saw this dress on a friend of mine on Instagram, and I loved the design and I wanted to recreate the look. So to get started with this tutorial, I'm going to lay the sweater down on my table and cut both sleeves off. So once I've cut both sleeves off, I'm going to go ahead and cut the turtleneck collar off as well. Okay, so I'm cutting out the top of the shoulder because I want to turn this into a off the shoulder dress. So I'm drawing a straight line just to ensure that I get a straight cut across. Once I've done that, I'm going to hem both the sides of the dress so that it fits a little bit more tighter. Once I've done that, then I can go ahead and cut the excess material off. Okay, now let's start on the sleeves, which are pretty simple. First, I'm going to lay one of the sides down on the table. Once I've done that, then I'm going to cut the top of the sleeve off. I'm going to cut a straight line starting where the curve starts. I'll measure and do the same thing to the other side. I'm also going to go ahead and take the sides of the sleeve off because it was a little bit too loose for my arm. Okay, and in order to get the lettuce hem on the dress, I'm going to put the machine on zigzag, stretch the material, and sew as close to the end as possible. And that's how you'll get the lettuce hem. As you can see, I marked the middle where I want to put my cut. Please make sure that you try the dress on and mark it before doing this cut. The same steps I used to put the lettuce hem on the top of the dress will be the same steps I use on this plate, both on the top and on the bottom. Step is optional, but if you want a tighter grip on the dress, then you can add an elastic band. After which I added the bow to the center of the dress. This is the dress when it's all done. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and thank you for watching.